In front of me is Honor 400 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Then choose Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now tap on one of your passwords you wish to edit. Enter your login method and hit Edit button. Then change wherever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!